Design an interactive space helmet with QuirkBot. Create the base of the helmet to fit comfortably around your head using Strawbees and straws. Attach a moving piece such as a visor and explore the universe of Strawbees locks and joints. Program your QuirkBot to activate the servo motor with the Circuit Touch node. You can adjust the values to control the sensitivity and position of the servo arm. You can also change the position of the servo motor itself and see how it affects the pivots. Build a helmet to protect yourself from space objects adrift and see if you can add more elements of movement and new materials to enhance your helmet.